Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we have created two of this route, right? We have created the server and also we have created two of this route as one of the slash route, another is the slash about. And also into the slash route here, I pass one of the HTML, some of the tag as a hi Aryan, and for the about, I have passed one of the JSON object data, right? But right now, both of these here, I'm using that get method. For the reasons we are able to access it in our browser. That means in our browser, if when you make it as a slash about and when you make it as a slash home, then you can see we can able to access it. But problem is that they have that different type of method, right? Right now we are using that get method only. So if you use that as a post method, put method, patch method, delete method, then we need one of the form. Right, so we are not able to access everything with our this browser because they have no option for the any form. For the reasons, now I want to introduce another software. With this software we can actually manage every method, like that is the postman.com. Okay, that is a Postman, one of the software. With this software we can manage all that our APIs data. We can check all that our post method data, get method, delete, patch, everything we can manage it. Simply go to that postman.com, and here if you go to that right down here, like there is an option for the download, you can see there is a download this app. If you click it as a download this app, now you can see there is an option for the Postman app. There is a Windows. Right now I am using that Windows. If you are using that Mac, if you are using that Linux, everything is ready made in here. That is totally free one of the software. Only you have to do, you have to simply click it on here. If you are using the 32-bit rather than 64-bit, simply click it in here. Automatically that will be download one of the exe file, and then install this. That will be the just next by next process. You have to just flow. Okay, after that, then when you install it successfully, you will get this type of one of the interface. And into this interface area here, you can see that is all that our request. That means which type of is request. That is a get request, post request, put request, patch request, and the delete. So these five are most common. We use it a lot of the time. So now we can actually manage everything without this Postman software. Okay, like here there is also another option for the form. If you want to add another form into the body, so into this body you can see there is a option for the form. You can add multiple form, you can add some of the value, and with this you can, if you want to change it, you can make it as a post method. The post method, all that API result will be displayed in here. Like I show you before, I have already created one of the route for the home, and also I have created another one as a about. So now if you want to access it, before we access it within our browser, right? Now I copy it, and here when you access it, then it's actually get our this value as a hi Aryan, one of the HTML tag, right? Now if you want to check it in our Postman, I simply paste our this URL, make it as a get method, and now if you go to the send option, if you click as a send, now that should be display our message. You can see here I pass that as a hi Aryan. And for the about, if you want to, that is also one of the get method, I make it as a about. That is our another route that I have created, and here I pass one of the JSON data, right? That is one of the JSON object data. And now if you want to access it, that will be as a slash about, and that will be one of the get method, right? And now if you click as a send it again, yes, you can see it's now perfectly get our this object string data as a name Aryan. Okay friend, step by step everything will be more clear because we will do multiple project with Express.js. But simply understand, every lecture is important. If you are at very beginning, if you don't have any idea, I am trying to explain everything one by one. And also there is another option for the preview. Our preview will be this one, right here. This preview is display in our browser. And for the home, if you go, we click as a send it again. Now you can see in our preview it's display as a hi Aryan, and that is our raw. So that is a raw will be displayed like that way, and preview will be our browser. What exactly the things it should be displayed in our browser. Now in our browser it's display like this. Okay friends, so it's very interactive, one of the software. So with this we can actually check all that our APIs. So make that sure you download this software and install this software in your system. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.